Good day, traders. This is Richard.
All right, good morning, everybody. This is Ryan Gigahenna here at Zoom Room Radio. We have some special guests today direct from Thailand, joining us with Richard Rube. Wong Thai. How you doing, Joey?
I'm good. How are you
Wong Thai.
guys?
Yes, great. We wanted to get you on board here because I know we've been using Richard's deep knowledge in trading. And we wanted to get to know him a little bit more so that we can reach out to people around the world, especially in Thailand, where you're at.
Yes.
Great. So, welcome on board. So, Richard, I know you've been talking to Joey for quite a while now, and we just wanted to get to know who you are so that the people in that other side of the world, in Southeast Asia, can benefit and from your knowledge in the market. So, Richard, welcome to the show. This is your show. So we just wanted to talk about a little bit about who you are and how you got started in trading.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ryan. Good morning, Joey.
Good morning.
I guess it's good afternoon for you. That's morning for me. And we're exactly on opposite sides of the world. I started trading way back about 25 years ago in September of 1998, took a little course to learn how to do it. And I was really rewarded with the opportunity to pay my teachers for teaching me how to make them money. And I did that for almost 4 months, not knowing what I was doing. And then I eased out of that and got into something else and 2 or 3 other things and found out I didn't really want to trade stocks in the first place. So in 1999, I took some other courses in stock trading, and then I took a course in futures trading from a gentleman Joey knows well. I think his name was, he ran a company later called ACT. Come on, Joey, help me with the man's name.
Larry?
He taught us, he used a 233 tick chart to teach us how to interpret futures charts. It's on June 1st of 2001. And I hosted this little course that he was giving us for about 4 hours. And I learned about futures. And so that was in 2001. Then in 2002, I took a course in futures. And I switched over to futures and haven't traded a stock since. And it was a bumpy ride to learn how to make money. And then in 2004, I found some people who knew how to trade 10 times better than me. So I stuck some of my money in their managed account and did quite well. They helped me make a lot of money between 2004 and 2008. And then I got started on another venue in 2013 and learned a lot more depth. And I've had about somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 mentors over this 25 years. That's too many, more like about 10. But I was exposed to about 40 because I heard 150 different talks from people every other Saturday for about 7 years. We went to school, and our problem was getting a lot of insight from one person, follow them for 2 or 3 months, and then hearing something from another person and segueing over to that. And so we didn't know what we were doing. The World Wide Web had come out in 1996, and here it is 2000. And so the World Wide Web and access to the direct access trading of the markets had only been around for 4 years. So nobody knew much of anything about anything back in those days. But we were all in it together, and we learned together, and it's taken some of us a long time to learn how to trade. It takes at least a year, even today, with a skilled artisans like Joey, and I think I know what I'm talking about. It takes 15 months before you should risk 1 nickel of your money.
So, Richard, you mentioned about having lots of mentors, and now you're going around the circle, and then now you're a mentor. Tell us a little bit more of what you do on a daily basis.
All
Because
right.
now, like you said, with with the internet on, it's a world wide web out here, and we can share information instantly. So tell us the time. I know you're in Las Vegas, USA. So from 5 to 7, what do you do?
All right, I'm going to show you a chart. I'm going to use gold right here. I'm going to blow up gold and show the gold chart today. All right,
So you
this
do,
is gold.
this is live training, right? Live trading, so people can hop on board and
That's right.
follow you.
This is a 15-minute chart going back 3 days. Today, Thursday, and Wednesday. Here's gold over here on Wednesday. You can see my red pointer on the left-hand side in the middle of the page. And this was an intermediate low, and we made a lower low here. So if I want to figure out what's going to happen next in gold, I'm going to draw a little geometry. This is called an ABCD. I'm going to draw from this low up to this high, and then I'm going to come back down to this low, and that points up to where price is going in the future on an ABCD basis. This is A, B, C, and D is way up there, and price is right here, right now. So, and we've got a topping tail here. So I'm going to draw a little circle around that topping tail, which signifies a sell signal, where we're going to have a smaller ABCD in where we should short it right now because it's headed down. I'm going to draw a little arrow where I think it's going to be headed down to about the 38.2 Fibonacci level. And now I'm going to put the Fibonacci levels on here so we can see all of them together. And I'm going to draw it up to that high. And now you see the 38.2 right there. So that's approximately where price may come down to restart to the upside, because we've moved up so much over the past day and a half from down here at 1873 or so, all the way up to this high of
1915?
1920.
I think so.
So Richard, as you're explaining this, you have on a daily basis a kind of like a mentorship program, right, where people can hop on board into your channel. Talk us a little bit about that.
Well, this is the channel. It's zoomroomradio@gmail to contact us. This is the Zoom Room Radio room you're listening to, and we talk futures. We call it also Futures Talk because we're talking about what we're doing and how we're going to make money. So right now, I'm going to sell this gold. I'm going to open my chart trader and I'm going to sell it. But first, I'm going to choose a simple strategy, which is going to give me a 10-tick stop and a 30-tick target. And I'm going to sell it.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Now I'm going to put my stop 1 tick above that high right there, and 1 tick above it. It may be 2 or 3 ticks, but then I'm going to put this target down here at the 38% level right here, because that's about what we expect the pullback to be before we resume our ascent. Because we're going to descend down to that level, and once we get to that level, then we're going to expect price to go back up and make a higher high up here somewhere over the next probably Monday or Tuesday. This is a Friday. And so between now and the close down here, this is actually going over to June 15th. It's going to take us Monday and Tuesday to get over there, because today's the 13th and tomorrow's the 14th, and here's Sunday the 15th. And of course, the market opens in Hong Kong on Sunday night in the Pacific time zone at 3 p.m. because that's where the market opens worldwide, in Hong Kong at about 7 a.m. Pacific time, Hong Kong time, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Los Angeles time.
So people are really going to see an overview of how you do things, and you do have, people jumping on board and seeing how you do things. And you also have other courses that they can take, right? Where they can do a more of an in-depth mentorship with you, correct?
That's correct. And what they can do is watch me trade live right before their eyes. Every day from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., the room is open. And whatever I'm doing, they're watching me do.
We're going to have those links for us posted on our video. And Joey, what are the things that your audience can benefit from Richard's daily activities here? How can they benefit?
I think they get a lot of benefits. Meanings like you can see the insight pretty much inside the head of the process of taking the trade. Hey, they got for this example, hey, they got a couple of days ago, they got this high, they got this low, and you another word, you can see like a mental process in order to execute a trade, right? It's from a couple of days ago, this high, this low, and then projected this gonna be this much, and plan the trade, and then execute the trade, because a lot of new people don't know where to get in. A lot of new people don't know where to get out, how much they need to risk, and so forth. 80 or 90% of new people lose money because of they don't know how to trade. They don't know how to read the chart. They don't know how to pull the trigger, and they don't know how to get out. And then you can see the Richard live. I mean, anything you can ask him. Like,
that's going to be really valuable for a person, starting. And that's going to be available at your channel. What's your website again, Joey?
Our website FXCD Thai. That's in Thailand. We are based in we based in Thailand. Anyway, those usually we trade that as on a forex.
Can I go into that site? Can I just show that site right here?
Sure. FXDD Thai, THAI, yes, .com.
Great. We're also gonna have that link available. Oh yeah, Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year. Chinese New Year is coming up.
That's right. We're gonna have that available their channel. We look forward to more collaboration. I think this is gonna be a great partnership between Richard and yourself, Joey. These two websites together, we can really make an impact to everybody out there in the world. Yes, so we're gonna have more series like this with Richard. Thank you, Richard, for educating us. We're gonna continue to look forward to more videos of you. Again, with our link below, with our YouTube channel and social media. You guys can sign up to be on our newsletter for SwissFT.com and also FXDDThai.com to get the latest updates. So, Richard, thanks again for your time. We look forward to more mentorship with you.
Before we leave, I want to show that this trade has earned $110 already, and I'm going to adjust to stop so we can't lose any money. I'm not going to adjust it a lot, but already price is right there, and I'm going to keep about $60 of the $110 that we had a moment ago if I get stopped out, but I think it's going to slide on down. Whoops, stop moving there, please. It's going to slide on down toward this target down here, but it'll take until Monday to get down there. So that is the easy way to trade right there. And then once you get a little bit of money, you tighten your stops. You can't lose any money in this trade. Now I'm going to make at least $10 or $12.
Stop filled.
I got.
And there you go. At least you got some money there. That's how you secure your profit.
I did make a little bit of money, but it looks like I lost a little bit of money earlier today, so it's not showing up. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell.
Hey, you were making money while you're doing the interview. That's amazing. All right, guys. So we'll look forward to our next show, and thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Later, guys.
Thank you, Joey. Thank you, Ryan. 8 to 80, blind, crippled, or crazy. I will teach you how to use my right-hand trade to take $500 a day to keep the job away in just 1 hour a day while you watch us trade live right before your eyes.